Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing one more question. The problem name is stack using two queues. So you have to implement in this problem stack data structure using two queue data structure. So in stack data structure we know that it means basically in stack what happens is last in is first out. Suppose the elements in this stack are pushed in this order 1, 2, 3. Then the first element to be popped will be 3, then 2, then 1. But in queue, as we know, it it holds first in first out. So if we push 1, 2, 3, then the first element to be popped will be 1, then 2, then 3. So what we will do is, as we are given two queues, and using those two queues we have to implement a stack. So while the push operation, what we will do is, suppose we have to push 1 2 3. So first we will push 1 into this queue. Suppose the two queues are q1 and q2. So suppose we have pushed q1 dot push 1. Now suppose we have to pop the element, then the first element to be popped will be 1. So there is no problem while there is one element. But when there is two element, what we will do is we will use the second queue, and first we will transfer all the elements of q1 into q2. Then we will push that element, means that element, suppose 2 in this case, we will push 2 into q1, sorry, and then again we will push all the elements of q2 into q1. So the code will be like this. Suppose void push, suppose int x, while q1 is not empty. So what we will do is we will push all the elements of q1 into q2, and then one by one we will pop all those elements, and then we will push this x into q1, and then again we will push all the elements of q2 into q1. All those elements we have pushed here we will pop one by one, and we will push again into q1, and then we will pop. I think you must have understood. So suppose first one I have pushed into q1, then the second element to be pushed is 2. So we will push this element here, and then we will push 2 into this, then again we will push this q2 here. Now suppose there is one more element 3 we have to push. So what we will do is, first we will push this here, then we will push this here, so it will become 1 2, and now we will push this into 3 here, then again we will push this 2 here and 1 here. So as you know, this is a queue data structure. So when we will pop, first 3 will come, then 2, then 1, and writing the pop function, as you have to return something, so I have used int here. First we will check that q1 is not empty. sorry, I have to use if here. If it is not if it is empty, suppose if it is empty, and then we will just return -1. Else what we'll do is we'll take an variable k, and we will take the first element of q1, then we will pop the first element of q1, and then we'll just return k, this top element. This is the overall function. I hope everyone have understood it. Thank you.